Welcome! Welcome everyone to the course dedicated to technical artist role in game development. My name is Vyacheslav Makhenko. I'm a full-time technical artist working at Ubisoft for more than 5 years. During this time I was involved in various AAA game development projects including Watch Dogs 3, Far Cry 6 and, as of recording this course, my beloved project Beyond Good and Evil 2. Within those videos, I'm going to help you build a solid foundation for obtaining a technical artist role in game dev. Let's be honest from the very beginning. It is crucial to clarify that simply completing this course would not make you ready to apply for TechArt role. Technical artist is an advanced position which requires both extensive artistic skills and technical know-how. This course should rather be treated like a compass or even a map that reveals the path to the TechArt role. In a high-level overview, we will cover all the core hard skills required for technical artists, namely real-time engines including rendering pipeline, game profiling, frame debugging and scene optimization, scripting for technical artists using Python, MaxScript and Mel, procedural content creation using Houdini and Substance Designer, basics of shaders, both nodal-based and HLSL, essential math for game dev, points, vectors, matrices, quaternions, and interpolations, and establishing pipelines. We will also have a dedicated section for soft skills for tech artists, covering collaboration and communication in a team, how to give and receive feedback, the beloved by any recruiter proactivity approach, and more. But still, that knowledge will only be enough to be efficient and confident in further in-depth self-learning of the mentioned above skills and tools. I know that this might sound a bit disappointing, but it's better to clarify everything right at the beginning than being misled by some miracle expectations in the end. To sum up, this course is giving you the following. First is what to learn, you could already get it from the course content by the way, and high-level overview of all the skills and tools with direct topics listed for in-depth self-learning. As a bonus, you will get links to the resources for in-depth learning which I used myself back in the days, plus my lifetime support with any questions regarding TechArt learning path even beyond this course, and improvised or simulated interview for technical artists with my detailed feedback for any student of this course. So now, when we are all on the same page and ready to start exploring the road towards technical artist, let's do it right away. See you in the next lecture.